Yo, brother, where they? I dey from Farragut. What kind of street name that they dey from? Yo, brother, you know what? Ah, no for me, guys. Yeah, man. Yo, brother, which one today you know? I dey buy Glenwood right now. You want me there? For what? Glenwood? I cannot. Yo, why dog? Yo, man, come on, Hamson. Man, hang up again. Be a gay street someone that they put in. Yo, brother, which one today you know? With me, where they now? I like Avenue D, boy. Avenue D. Avenue what? Listen to me clearly. Brother, you see if you're there on Beverly, Charlotte, Shelly, that street there for Depon, brother. If you're not Depon, then the street there, door call me for. Hello? Yo, nah. Yeah. Here we going now, buddy. Don't stress no more. Depon Beverly right now. Where you there? Where is it, Beverly? I'm not got to be Depon, brother. Beverly a perfect spot, brother. Beverly for Depon, brother. Oh, Sky. Oh, I'm going, brother.
Hey, you can be running around all this place, all over the place,
Brother,
buddy.
I'm street them there.
But stop, I'm up for me, you know.
Yo! What's good, my man?
Yo, I'm gonna call you back. I just saw one of my man, bro. I'm gonna call you back, son.
Yo, what up, bro? What's good?
Oh, shoot, what's good,
Yo, what's good, bro?
Hey,
Yo,
what up?
I'm good, man. This is my man, bro. This is my dog. I fuck with this dude, bro. Yo! What you just say a while ago, brother? This is my man, bro. You what? Brother, long time man cut you off still no dog. Okay. First a street name, and now you come talk about this and you, yo, look at me, brother. For way long, bro. It's not like that, you know. Why you dog? I can't think about your man.
You see why I don't link up with you?
Hey, bro, what you talking
You
about?
always get people thinking, hey,
Yo, what you talking about? You're a man, bro.
I use that old man for me, dog.
Yo, I fucking should do what you talking about, bro.